Which planet? Which planet are we in?
Earth.
Earth.
Saturn.
Not Saturn. We're in Earth. How many moons in Mars?
2.
2. Good job. And what was the other question? What's the hottest planet?
Moon.
What is it?
Uh,
It's
Venus.
Venus. High five, honey. Why do you put them in jail?
Because they're very naughty.
Oh, they're very naughty.
It's okay, the duck cry. It's only me. Delicious.
Hi guys, magandang umaga. It is Thursday morning. Welcome back to our channel. Nandito tayo ngayon sa kusina because I am getting Paris's vitamins. Ayan. Kasi hindi ko pa na-drop ang ating baby girl sa childcare. And actually today, it's Thursday but we're working from home, Daddy Mike and I. Kasi, diba, 7-day lockdown kami. And supposed to be matatapos yung lockdown namin tonight. But unfortunately, mas dumami yung cases. So the government, nag-announce sila kagabi na they're going to extend the lockdown for another week. So, yeah, it means we'll be working from home for the next week as well. But even though lockdown siya, guys, the childcare, the school, and everything, they're open. So, it's fine na we take, Paris to school. And also, meron naman silang ginawang adjustment din. So, this week na lockdown, dapat 5 kilometers lang yung pwede naming biyahiin. But, this time, second lockdown, pwede siyang up to 10 kilometers. So, hindi na sila masyadong strict talaga. But, still, lockdown kami. Anyways, alam nyo guys, sobrang sakit ng ko dito guys. So, alam nyo yung vaccine ko kahapon. Diba, isa dito tinusok, tapos isa dito. Yung whooping cough na vaccine, yun talaga yung pinakamasakit. Like, seriously, parang ngul-ngul kaayos siya. And hindi ako nakatulog ng mabuti kagabi kasi nga, diba, buntis tayo and hindi maganda kapag nakatihaya yung pagtulog mo. So, you're supposed to sleep like on your side. So, on your left, ganyan. Eh, paano yan gagawin ko? Sobrang sakit dito. So, last night, hindi ako nakatulog ng maayos. At umupo ako, guys, sa bed. So, nilagyan ko na lang ng yung likuran ko. Unan, pag ganun. Tapos, nakatulog ako ng ganun. Oh my goodness. Anyways, guys, that is fine. Paris, Nicole? Go get your medicine. Medicine yung tawag niya sa kanyang, guys, vitamins. So, meron siyang...
Mama,
Yes, anak?
I
Multivitamins. What is that? Come here.
I read all the medicine.
Come here, sorry.
I shared the medicine right here.
Oh, you already have? Daddy gave you?
No.
Daddy, did you give Paris her medicine? Sobrang sakit talaga na.
Medicine.
Daddy!
No, medicine.
Say hi, Tita Tita. You give Paris medicine. Binigyan na pala siya ng daddy niya. Say hi sa Tita.
I want to get out.
Sure.
I want to say hi to Tita.
So you wanna say hi?
Hi, Tita.
Say hi, Tita and Tito.
Hi, Tita and Tito.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Sure. When did Daddy give you na? I didn't know.
I want medicine.
This morning?
I want medicine.
Daddy gave you one already, honey.
No.
Ayan, binigyan na pala siya ng daddy niya kanina.
I want medicine.
Don't be silly, anak. You already have this one. We'll give you tonight, okay? We'll give you another one tonight. Daddy kiss. Ayan, may meeting si Daddy Mike. Hindi makapagsalita.
No.
Okay, come on. Hey, Daddy. Wanna bring your bag? Yeah. You wanna drink? So, kilala mo na itong bata. I don't know why, but she's also...
Mama, that drink.
I'm not drinking. Are you in the bag?
Yeah.
Okay, go open the door now. Open the door. Oh gosh. Ito rin siya, guys. Hindi rin maganda yung tulog niya. Ano din siya. Always waking up. Siguro dahil din sa akin kasi always
Is
tinatawag
that
mo.
a big candy ever again?
The big candy ever again.
Mommy,
I got like a chocolate biscuit. Careful.
I don't like chocolate biscuit.
You don't like it?
I want to go one ever again.
Okay. When the shop opens, then we can get like a big candy, okay? Come here. Why is it the police close the shops?
And the people were floating around.
Yeah, there's a sickness floating around. There's an illness floating around, and it's making people.
So sick.
That is right. It's COVID.
COVID.
That's right. Yeah, that's why we can't go to the shoppers yet.
We can go to the next shop if you want.
A new shop.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now when they open, we can.
Mommy,
go.
this is Milk Man again.
That's right. It's a white one. It's a white one.
Yeah.
Honey, tell me. I have a question for you. Which planet are we in?
Ah,
Earth.
it's Saturn.
Not Saturn. We're in Earth. How many moons in Mars?
2.
2. Good job. And what was the other question? What's the hottest planet?
Moon.
What is it?
Ah,
It's
Venus.
Venus. High five, honey. High five. Oh, good girl. You're very smart, aren't you?
La la la.
La 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 la. That's why we go to school, so we become so smart. Check the mailbox for mommy, please.
Of course. This one?
Mm-mm. No, not that one. That's Lola's. Just open yours.
This Lula's there.
Oh, yeah, that's Lola's there. This one is for Tito Michael. Anything for mommy? Nothing? Ay, gosh, come na. Medyo late na ngayon, guys. Nag-break time lang ako sa work para ma-send ko to.
What do I do?
Come on, Mary's there. Ayan, guys. Kakarating lang namin dito sa school ni Baby Paris. And I can't help but vlog this one kasi when we're on our way here, nag-usap-usap kami habang nagdadrive si mami nyo. And suddenly, surprise ako, guys, kasi parang out of nowhere lang sinabi niya sa akin na, anak, what would you like to be when you grow up?
A police.
A police? Sabi niya, guys, Mommy, I would like to be a police when I grow up. Tapos parang nashock ako kasi hindi nga namin pinag-usapan yun before. And I said, why would you like to be a police, honey?
Cause to get the people out there.
Will you get the people who are?
In the jail.
You put people in the jail
Yeah, when I'm a police.
when you're a police?
Another boy.
Yeah.
I'm a girl.
Why do you put them in jail?
Cause they're very naughty.
Oh, they're very naughty, so the police will put them in jail. Is that why you want to be a police?
No, I'm not a boy. I'm not a boy. I'm a girl.
You're a girl,
Yeah.
but you want to be a police when you grow up. It's very
Mama.
crazy, guys, na at young age, like 3 years old.
Mama, I'm not a police.
Sinasabi niya na gusto na niya
Mama,
maging police when
I'm
she grow up.
I'm a blue. I'm pink.
You're pink. Okay, let's go now.
A few moments later.
Time check, guys. It's now 1 o'clock ng hapon. And Daddy Mike is going. Tingnan niyo ang aking workmate, oh. Magla-lunch na siya, guys. Hindi na ako sasama kasi alam nyo, sobrang, ewan ko, ang bilis kong mapagod ngayon. Kasi nga malaki na yung tiyan natin. Kapag naglalakad tayo ng medyo malayo, sobrang hinahangak na ako, guys. Kaya, yun. Do you want to say hi, Daddy? To our vlog?
Hi.
How am I? Can you tell me how am I as a workmate?
Oh yeah, we have a great working relationship. We don't talk. She listens to gold. Okay.
Oh, God.
I'll listen to good lunch.
So, ayan. Ganito kami, guys. Back to back pag nag-work kami. Kasi tingnan nyo. Here's my screen. Nandun yung sa kanya. Minsan hindi kami nag-uusap. Nag-uusap kami kapag ano lang. Kapag, ayan, sinasabi niya na lalabas na siya kasi magla-lunch na. Kasi we're both, busy, para nakatutok kami palagi sa, sa screen namin. What's your thoughts about the extended lockdown, Daddy?
We can. I better not say because you might get fined. Yeah. I'm not impressed with that. I'm not happy about it.
Yeah. Another week. And hopefully, it stops there, guys, no? Kasi, ayoko mabalik na naman yung, yung last year na. Sobrang tagal. How long was the lockdown last year, Bob? Wait,
I felt like a whole year. I think it was like
6
8
months?
I think it was like 8 months, like all up.
Yeah.
Like we had like little bits where it was open again, but it's like open for 2 weeks and then closed for 4 weeks.
Yeah, this time like 7 days and then another 7 days, so who knows? Maybe another 7 days and oh God. Can you imagine pag nanganak ako and it's lockdown, guys? It's gonna be pain. Wala kang anong tawag ito, hindi ka what's the word? Makakalabas with your groups kasi kailangan mo ng mom's group pag bagong panganak ka, guys, para may mga like, what I was doing when I was yung pinanganak ko si Paris. Anyways, ayun, naalis na yun ang ating Daddy Mike ngayon. Magla-lunch na siya. And then, bibilhan na lang niya ako ng pagkain. But, yeah. I'll keep working. Anong oras na, 1. Hindi siya mag-focus. Ala, pasensya na rin itong kuko, Grabe na ka, 1:04 na.
A few moments later.
Go. Knock on the door. AirPods yung daddy niya. Naka-AirPods kasi talaga. Hindi nakarinig.
Where's my cuddles? How was school? Oh, really? Did you bear give you a cuddle? How? I love you.
This is a drink. Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you making?
Cake.
Cake?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. What's Daddy making?
Pancake. Special one.
Special pancake. Paris?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough now. We're gonna cook it now.
Oh, did you see baby Celine move? Did you see that?
That was scary. Saying it's only me.
What did you say?
It's okay, Sarah. Don't cry. It's only me. Sarah. Don't make cry. I'm cleaning this for you.
Yeah. Oh, enough na. Enough na. You rub now. That's too much oil.
It's not too much.
Come on, rub na. Talk to baby Celine. Talk to baby Celine.
It's okay. Fine.
Rub na, rub.
I have a good idea of a toy.
Good idea.
Yeah, I have a toy right here.
Okay. Come on, because baby Celine's moving now.
Silly, I have a toy.
You have to rub first.
I'm just seeing the toy. It's okay. The toy. I was on.
It's moving. Rub.
Hi,
Rub. Gentle, nak. Baby Celine. Uy. Did you just burp?
Oh, you at this. Go.
Uy! Uy, naupo. Naupo man.
Tico. What was that? What was that, Mommy?
What was that? Is baby Celine fat?
No.